In water molecule, oxygen is the central atom. For hybridization, we should consider the valence orbitals of central atom. Here oxygen is the central atom. Oxygen electronic configuration is helium 2s2 2p4. That is valence orbitals are s and p orbital. In s orbital it has 2 electrons and p orbital has 4 electrons. Electrons are filled according to Pauli's exclusion principle and Hund's rule multiplicity. Here 2px orbital has 2 electrons and 2py orbital has 1 electron and 2pz orbital has 1 electron. Next, valence orbitals are hybridized together. What are the valence orbitals? S and 3p orbitals are hybridized together, that is mixing together, gives 4 equivalent sp3 hybridized orbitals. Here you can see the structure of 4 sp3 hybridized orbitals. So 2 out of 4 sp3 hybridized orbitals are overlapped with 2 1s orbitals of hydrogen atom, gives 2 OH sigma bonds. So after overlapping, this water molecule has 2 lone pairs of electrons. What is lone pair of electrons? Lone pair of electron is known as paired electrons. So 2 paired electrons are present in water molecule called 2 lone pairs of electrons or non-bonding electrons. Linear overlap is over, water molecule is formed. This water molecule has 2 lone pairs of electrons. So according to valence shell electron pair repulsion theory, lone pair repulsion is greater than lone pair bond pair repulsion is greater than bond pair repulsion. So sp3 hybridized orbitals of this water molecule is adjusted to get stabilized structure, gives bent or V-shaped structure. Here we see the summary of structure of water. Hybridization is sp3, structure is bent or V-shaped, bond angle is 104.5 degree.